Hello, Dr.K.R.Shah students. My name is Dev, and I'm here to talk a little bit about the coronavirus and just some of the impacts it's had on the economy, how to stay safe, and how, like, what actions you can take to ensure that you and your loved ones don't get the virus. The coronavirus has had an impact on the entire world. First, we're seeing a lot more people stay at home now because they don't want to be at risk of getting the coronavirus. Staying at home is the safest thing to do because you're not at risk of contracting the coronavirus from anyone else that's outside or just getting exposed to anyone who possibly could have the virus. What this means is that in the future, a lot more people may be working at home because staying at home is still efficient. You know, you can get your work done for your job, and it prevents companies from having to have a lot of people stay clustered together, inside of their workplace. This will ensure that everyone is safe from contracting the coronavirus because people aren't, actually meeting up in person. Next, the coronavirus seems to be having an impact on the economy right now, and if the coronavirus continues on for the next few months and just there's no vaccine for it, then this could severely impact the economy in a negative way. Currently, we're already seeing companies having to lay off workers because they simply cannot afford to pay their workers due to the coronavirus and people not demanding a lot of resources and, just their products in general. What this means is that the economy could be going into a recession in the future. Next, there are also certain problems that arise at home now because of the coronavirus. There are some domestic issues such as abuse and much higher rates of divorce because families are now just stuck at home and they're forced to, interact with each other and they just can't get, isolation that much. This could cause families to, have high rates of tension, and it just is an unprecedented time. So people, may just want some isolation, but they can't get that because of how the coronavirus is just forcing families to stay home and not leave the house for fresh air or anything like that. While the best thing to do is to stay at home, sometimes you may be forced to leave your house because of how you have to maybe get groceries or do certain chores that require you to actually leave. There's certain precautions that you can take to ensure that you are being safe at all times from the virus. The main thing to do is to ensure that you wash your hands for at least 20 seconds after you go and leave the house. This will ensure that you don't have any of the germs or bacteria on your hands that you could have gotten when you left outside. Next, if you're going to leave the house, it's important that you wear a mask so that your germs and your droplets don't spread to other people. Lastly, it's important that you stay 6 feet apart from everyone else to ensure that there's no way that the virus could be contracted to you because of how you're far away from everyone else, so that if someone else has the virus, then you wouldn't get it because the virus couldn't spread to you because of the distance. There's certain steps that you can take to improve your immune system. Turmeric and ginger are compounds that have been found to boost one's immune system. You can either just consume them directly, or you can make turmeric tea and then just mix ginger in it to ensure that, the substances can help you fight against the coronavirus. Also, it is recommended that you eat whole foods and particularly fruits and vegetables because they help you um, produce antibodies that will help you boost your immunity. And it is also important to ensure and to know that processed foods should be avoided.